Ever found yourself struggling to nail that perfect tension? Your stitches looking a little wobbly or way too loose, and you're on the brink of breaking your favorite hook? Today, I'm gonna let you in on the not-so-secret secret that completely transformed my crocheting and knitting game. This yarn holding technique not only helped me create picture-perfect, super consistent stitches, but also saved me from those dreaded hand cramps. Whether you're tackling a regular-sized project or diving into the tiny world of micro crochet, maintaining that consistent tension is the key to leveling up your work. Ready to jump in? Let me show you how it's done. Hold the yarn with your right hand and wrap it around your pinky from front to back. Bring it under your ring and middle finger and then back up and over your index finger. Let me show you again. Wrap it around your pinky and over the index finger. Holding your yarn in this way will give you a lot of control over your tension. If you close your fingers like this and pull on the yarn, you can see that the yarn is fully locked. If I start loosening my fingers a bit, I'm able to pull the yarn more easily. Now let's make some stitches. Bend your pinky and ring fingers like this, keeping them quite loose, and hold your project with your thumb and middle finger. If you are working on a bigger piece, you will notice that your pinky and ring fingers tend to be more straight and provide extra support. This is perfectly normal, and you won't lose control over the tension as long as you keep them together. And here's where the magic happens, and the silent hero is my index finger. While I still hold my hand quite loosely, I control the tension of the yarn by moving my index finger up and down. Just think of your hand as a sewing machine. Starting out, as you're getting the hang of holding your yarn this way, don't be afraid to take it slow. Use your index finger to gently pull the yarn as you work your stitches, maintaining that tension until you're running low on yarn. When that happens, simply pull out some more thread and keep going. It's a rinse and repeat process. With practice, you'll start to find your own rhythm, getting a feel for just how much thread to pull to maintain that sweet, consistent tension. As you keep practicing, muscle memory will kick in and you'll notice your crocheting sessions becoming smoother. Your speed will also naturally increase along the way, so keep at it and before you know it, you'll be crocheting like a pro. If you're eager to give this technique a try in your next micro project, I have just the right video for you. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy crocheting and I'll see you in the next video.